In this video, I'm going to be showing you a TikTok money calculator that you can use with ease to be able to see how much you could potentially make per post. This is based off the total amount of likes and the total amount of followers on your account. So to get the calculator, just open up any web browser. I'm on Chrome. Then in the search bar of Google, I'm going to type TikTok money calculator. There you can see it pops up. I'm going to tap on it. Then you want to tap on the very first result that you see right here from Influencer Marketing Hub. I will leave that linked up in the description. So I'm going to tap on that. Then you just need to scroll down till you get to the actual calculator. So you can see our estimated total earnings by account. All you need to do is enter in your information, which you can get from your TikTok account. So for my account, I'll have 3,500 likes and a total followers of 2,400. And then you need to select the amount of videos. I have around 20 videos or 25 or something like that. So average engagement rate of about 5%. And then you can see estimated earnings per post, $6 to $10. So that's the potential amount that you could be charging if someone wants to do a post on your page. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.